Hello folks, you join me on a bitterly cold morning. The clocks may have gone forward, but the temperature's definitely gone backwards. Just a quick video. I just want to do a little unboxing review of this. It's not a paid promotion, it's something I've purchased myself, albeit only £15, but I find a lot of gardeners out there could possibly benefit. And I mentioned in my previous video, but I thought if I do a detailed video of unboxing and setting it up, you might get a better insight whether it's for you or not. So this is the collapsible water butt from Lidl, and it's under their Parkside brand. So first of all, we'll just open the box and see what's inside. Ooh, freezing cold. Quick open up. We've got some taps, some destructions, which we'll look at a bit later. One. What I'll do, I'll lay all these out in a nice sequence and we can see a little bit closer what they are. So this is the kit as it comes out of the box. Still got the main container there rolled up. We'll be undoing that in just a second. But first of all, just have a look at these 6 support pipes. These are plastic. They've got a big blanking plug on the one end. And it's just a little stubby plug on the other. The other thing what contained in the kit is 2 taps. This one fits about halfway up the barrel and it's ideally for filling a watering can or something like that. Although look at on the end, you could probably push a short hose and that'd be alright to guide in the water. But the main pipe connector for me is this one here, which fits at the bottom of the tank, and it's like a big stopcock shut-off valve. It's got a filter on the one side which will be inside the barrel. Now the other end there, it's got the quick release hose connector. So what we'll do now is unravel it all and start putting the pipes in and see if we can get it into shape. There really is no dignified way of doing this. You need to get inside and get all the creases out because it is packed quite tightly. Oh, that seems to have done the job. Right, time to get the fittings on. Starting at the bottom, I'll put the actual hose tap on. Just have a look around here. I've got a threaded connector, so it just goes onto this end, screws on. Be careful that you don't cross thread it because it's plastic. If it will go on, just push it on, reverse it back half a turn and you'll find it'll find its own level. Then just nip it up. If you can't get the tap where you want it, if you add some PTFE tape onto there, wrap it round a few times, it'll adjust how much this will turn and eventually you'll get the tap in the right orientation. Right, we've got that right in position. Next one is halfway along and this is the tap there for filling your watering can. Again, these taps have got a little O-ring seal on so that it should provide a reasonably watertight fit. Again, screw it. No need to go over the top and crush the seal. Just get the tap in the right angle, and again you can use PTFE tape. And the final one goes right up the top, if you can see here. It's just a hole here. And this one there is a filter. So you unscrew it. There is 2 rubber washers on. And that needs to go on the outside, push through the hole. Put the rubber washer on the other side and then screw the filter on. And that then, if the water butt does get full up to the top, it will actually overflow. And to finish it off, there's a zip lid which goes all the way around. If you can just look on there, there is a bit of a mesh grill. It's a token gesture, just so that it doesn't get all the leaves in. If you wanted a bit finer, you could put a drain pipe or something near the top add a bit of Enviromesh or something with a cable tie on, and that'll do a much better filter. Right, now we've got this in situation, I'm going to zip it up. There's little pockets all the way around here. If you come in closer, you can see there's like looks like a double weld, but what it is, if you get to the bottom, you can see a little cutout, and the pole actually pushes up there in 6 places. Putting the tanks, stretching it out like I did when I got inside, really does pay dividends, because then you can see the pole does push in fairly easily, and make sure that the cap is on the bottom, because that's the foot it stands on. So there we have it, built. Once the zip is pulled around the lid, it's quite sturdy. I'm not going to put any water in at the moment, because it'll be just a matter of wasting 250 litres, because I'm not ready to use it. But I say it will be going into the greenhouse on the allotment. The reason why I picked this is because to put something of this volume in there, I'm struggling to get it through the gap in the door. So quite easily I can just push the sides in of this like that. It fouls up to nothing. It is a good little bit of kit, and apart from punctures, it should be okay. The seals seem decent on the taps, and say if you do get a little nick in here, I'm sure something like a patch off a puncture outfit for a push bike could more than sort it out. The only other thing to bear in mind is the filler here. So that does work as an overflow, but the other same thing, you could actually put a hose pipe onto there, use that to fill it up, although there is a sufficient hole in the top for actually topping it up that way. First saw this in my local Lidl. I tend to go in there on a Thursday because they have a drop Thursday and a Sunday, I think. And they do have some good gardening stuff. At the moment they've got some nice stainless steel tools. Probably only, I think, £2 or something like that. But I did spot this, and it wasn't until I got home that I thought that'd be ideal for my allotment greenhouse to get it in and out and that. And I went back the next day and they'd sold completely out. I got another store probably 5 miles away. I went there and I managed to find that they've still got 2 left, so I bought one. In fact, I wish I'd have bought the other one now. But if you am interested in these, keep your eye out for them. I'll put the product code on the screen as well. I find with Lidl, if they have a product which is popular, they'll actually repeat it a few weeks later. So keep your eye for that, and probably I should say this will be a definite again for next year. I hope that's been of use to you. I will get plenty of use out of it. So many thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.